Hi, welcome back to Old Mac New Life. A while back, my employer had me prepare a mass emailing to our customers. I did this using Mozilla Thunderbird because it's what I had access to. Thunderbird got the job done, but it occurred to me it probably wasn't the best tool for managing a mailing list as large as the one I had to deal with. There had to be a better way, and yeah, there is. Mail merge is a time-honored way of getting out a message to a large group of people, and that's what we're going to cover in this video. We'll be using Microsoft Word and Outlook 2011 for Mac, running on the 2007 Core 2 Duo Mac Mini, running Mac OS X 10.6.8 Snow Leopard. Yep, older software on an older computer because... First thing we're going to do is create a list of recipients for our mail merge. For that, we're going to create a spreadsheet, so go ahead and open Excel to a blank spreadsheet. In the first numbered row, we're going to create labels for the data fields we'll be entering. Mail merge is absolutely not picky about this, so feel free to call them anything you like. Just make sure the names are meaningful to you so you remember what they store later. With the labels created, go ahead and enter the recipient's information. For this demo, I'm mainly concerned with getting names and email addresses in. If you think you might ever want to send old-fashioned paper mail out, you can get that information as well and let MailMerge handle printing out envelopes as well as your letters. With your recipient data entered in, it's time to save the spreadsheet. Under the File menu, select Save As. This lets you choose a file name and a save location, as well as a format to save to. You can leave this Excel workbook if you want, but I'm going to save this as a CSV, comma separated values file. CSV is a generic format readable to lots of different software, which means I could share this file between programs and even operating systems. Assuming you chose the CSV format, Excel will complain that your spreadsheet contains formatting incompatible with it. That's not a problem. When you close the spreadsheet, Excel will prompt you again to save because you still haven't saved it in Excel's native format, and that's okay too. You can go ahead and close Excel. Now we can start creating our mail merge document. Go ahead and open Word to a new blank document. Under the Tools menu, select Mail Merge Manager. From the Mail Merge Manager dialog, under Select Document Type, select Create New Form Letters. Then, under Select Recipients List, click Get List, and select Open Data Source. From the File dialog, choose the spreadsheet file which is created in Excel. If this is a CSV file, you'll be presented with the File Conversion dialog. Leave these settings alone and click OK. Go ahead and start typing your letter. When you reach a point where you want to insert some of the data from the spreadsheet we made earlier, go to Insert Placeholder under the Mail Merge Manager. You'll see the field names, or data labels, from the spreadsheet listed here. Click and drag the name of the field to the location in the form letter you want it inserted. The field name now appears in your form letter. Continue typing your letter, repeating these steps wherever you want to insert data. Just keep in mind that if you left any fields in your spreadsheet empty, they'll appear as blank spaces in your form letter when you complete the merge. The next optional step in the Mail Merge Manager is to filter recipients. Clicking Options here opens a dialog that allows you to set criteria for including or excluding recipients for this mail merge. I'll be skipping this step. Next, you can preview what the documents are going to look like when merged with the data. Under the Preview Results section of the Mail Merge Manager, click the View Merge button, that's the button labeled ABC, to insert the data into documents. You can then use the arrow buttons in the same section to navigate through the individual documents in the mail merge. And we're almost done. Under the section Complete Merge, you can select Merge to Printer to allow you to print your letter in envelopes for physically delivered mail, Merge to New Document, or, the choice we're going to go with here, Generate Email Messages. This opens a dialog allowing you to set which field contains each recipient's email address. You can also optionally set a subject line. You can set a format for the message, including plain text, the actual Word document as an attachment, or HTML. When you're ready to send your messages, click the Mail Merge to Outbox. Heads up! Depending on how you have Outlook configured to handle outgoing mail, this step may immediately send the messages out. So, if you haven't proofread the document yet, you might want to go ahead and do that now. Only click that button when you're really ready to send. Since these aren't real email addresses anyway, I won't be clicking it. If your Outlook setup immediately sends all outgoing mail, then great, you're done. If not, you have one more step to do. Open Outlook and click the Send Receive button to the top right of the ribbon. Now you're done.